Moses Wetangula nigo Jumaine ya lero oseji chukulia Jumatano hanyara kobaga kubwatana na Abarai bande kurwa sorogongoro Afrika higati yabo muraibu wense omokoro wenseria ya Ghana Akuf Nana Ado ase okwena na hengora ya bene gochia se amate ya nyagosira Raila Odinga senkayae ya Kango Jaramogi.
Moses Wetangula nigo airari bagelio nago togia esabali ya Raila yokorwanira OBOINA bw'omwanya bantu obusibole nabo igo amagenderero ase chinsemo chamashinani asasabire Abarai babono amona abananchi kubwatia chimbo chaya.
We'll always remember Raila Odinga as a man who made many compromises for the sake of the peace, unity and security of this country. Very few politicians are capable of doing that. I ran my politics in 2013, 2017 in the same coalition of CORD and NASA respectively. Energetic and dynamic doyen of Kenyan politics.
The loss of a statesman, a mentor for many, and somebody whose contribution to the country, the continent, and in other international arena will always be remembered. And we really pray that as his soul rests in eternal peace, that God's grace can visit the entire Raila Odinga and Jaramogi family, so that the blessings of his hand can manifest as we go into the future.
So I have lost a mentor, a confidant, and I will forever remember him on what he did for me personally and what he has done for this entire country.
But the truth of the matter is that we as workers, we lost a person who was close to Kenyan workers, African workers, and he had an opportunity to come to Ghana, Accra, to address the workers of Africa before he started vying for that position.